Hi, I'm Tina Sage, and I am your child's marine science teacher for the 2021 first half of the school year. We will be looking at the physical, chemical, and biological properties of the ocean and any of the other marine systems that feed into the ocean. On the board, as you see behind me, we'll be using Focus and Google Classroom as our main platforms this year. And my email is the best way to get in touch with me. You'll see the number at the top. We will be using our online textbook, which this is the hard copy, but due to COVID-19, we're not allowed to use the hard copy. Each of the kids will have access to an online textbook. They just need to put that code in. I showed them today how to get into it or how to access it. If the kids were not here today, then I will show them tomorrow how to add it to their Launchpad and how to join the classroom. Here is, you should have already seen the syllabus. In the middle is the supply list that I had requested. It is nothing out of the norm. I asked for them if they had a binder for another class, if they got a little bit bigger, so that I would just have a section in it. And only other thing that might be not in the norm would be colored pencils, because they will be doing a lot more projects or activities, and they'll be having to color if they were not doing a digital project. And then underneath it was our grading, where their assessments would be 35% of grade, activities lab 25%, and their classwork and homework is going to be 40%. A big thing is Focus, that both you and your child have an email address attached to your Focus account. So every time I upload grades, that you and your child will get a notification that grades have been uploaded. Because every time I upload grades, if they have not added or turned in a grade, then they'll get an NTI, which will show as a 0, and that way they know that they are missing an assignment and that they need to turn it in. All assignments will be turned in via Google Classroom unless there is an issue, and that way they can just take a picture of it, send it to me via my email. They can attach it to an email and send it to me. I have asked that when they do that, that they put the assignment name in the subject so I know what I'm looking at. Other than that, basic makeup policies, classroom rules. It is mandatory that the kids do wear masks in the classroom. The classroom, they are large for the face-to-face learners, but I do have enough room in the classroom where the kids are alternating seats and they are spaced out. So I don't have any kids sitting right next to each other. So there is still enough room where the kids are spaced out. If you had noticed on the syllabus, the best way to get in touch with me is via email. The syllabus is on our Google Classroom. You can also get in touch with me via Messenger on Focus. That way, as soon as I open up my Focus, I will see that there's a message for me automatically. Plus, every time you got a message is left for me, I get an email saying that I have a message and who it's from. So I see it right away, and that way I know I need to go and check that I have something from a parent or from a student. And I can also reply directly from my email to you. So please feel free to reach out should you have any questions or concerns. And I hope you have a great year. Thanks.